So
be open, yeah.
You talked about this preliminary stage. This preliminary stage is actually a stage that would happen before projects, right?
That's before projects, yes.
Okay.
So that's
that kind of discovery and evaluation. Let's see what possibilities are out there.
Yes.
But you help formulate the problem and also maybe narrow down the solution potential.
Both. So you formulate the problem by already involving the users in there.
Yeah.
So in a very, very early stage where normally you would not even talk to users,
Yeah.
you go to the fields, you go to the shops, you go to the
You do
stores.
market research.
You do real market research.
Yeah.
A real one, and not just facts and figures, like putting up any ChatGPT, what's the trend, how do consumers behave.
Yeah.
Just go there where the business is and really get an understanding.
I'm trying to remember who I talked to. I was talking to somebody recently about product development. It was a person who's been doing it for a long time, and they basically said what a lot of us learned in university many decades ago. He said, you know what, the key, and I think this comes from one of the big gurus, is the key to any kind of new product is market research. Before you do anything, you need to do market research. I think that's changed a little bit in the last couple of years because there was an interim perspective. So it used to be in olden days, there was a need and you provided a solution, right? The more we got into technology, if we look at faxes, if we look at internet, if we look at iPods, iPads, if we look at the mobile phones, cell phones, these are all products that nobody asked for.
Yes.
Right? So I think the relearning of marketing and product management was the client doesn't know what the hell they want. You just need to make a sexy product and sell it to them and they'll take it. Yeah. And I think a lot of people misunderstand that because the one doesn't contradict the other.
True.
It's kind of a crossover.
And yes, you need to have facts and figures, but on the other hand, it's about really deep understanding and building up empathy towards the users.
Yeah. So you start on a high level with design thinking. You know, like what product area or what service area we're going to go to, what problem category we're going to take a look at, what clientele, what personas we're going to look at, and then the further you go down, the more you narrow down. It gets kind of more into the project management when it gets more narrow. But you're still doing design thinking because you still have to on multiple levels. You know, you'll have the classic features and the epics and the user stories and the requirements and the features and the benefits, all this kind of stuff.
But not in this phase still. Yeah. So we're still in this so-called problem area to identify and to analyze, okay, what the heck are we talking about?
Yeah.
So coming from we should and we need more to really having a clear statement to work on. So for example, for a shoe brand, how can we attract people at the age of, let's say 70 plus, elderly people who do have special needs to become customers and to join again and to be permanently our customers and to spread the word instead of who we need more business.
I think, go ahead.
No, sorry. And then
you first?
No, you.
What it triggers in me is so